Dropshipping plus AI, it's here right now. AI agents for dropshipping are live and available right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it because the future is now. The good old days are now, and dropshipping changes forever. The first AI agent specifically focused on Shopify dropshipping is now live. It's available. I'm going to demo it in this video so you'll see exactly how to use it. It's called Doba Pilot, and it's going to do everything for you. It's going to search for products. It's going to find great products from Doba's massive dropshipping supply. And the best part is 90% of these products are going to come directly from the United States. But that's just the very start of it. Doba Pilot's going to analyze competition. It's going to calculate profit margins. It's going to import products. It's going to write product titles. It's going to optimize product descriptions. And it's going to automatically list products into your store. It could even build a store for you. It's super, super powerful. And like I said, it is the first AI agent designed specifically for Shopify dropshipping. And it's the new way to manage a store. And you don't need to click on anything. You don't need to go through menus. You don't need to build crazy prompts. It's nothing technical at all. It's just a conversational workflow. You don't need to be some AI expert to type in something like, find 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with a 25% profit margin, right? And it's going to do all the research for you, but not only just showcasing products, it's going to find you products that are able to be added into your store and fulfilled automatically through Doba dropshipping. And of course, this is just scratching the surface. Other examples could be like find basketball products that ship from the USA, optimize product title and product description. Or you could even, let's say you're starting from scratch, you could literally just say, build me a new dropshipping store. You literally build an entire Shopify store from scratch. There's nothing technical about it. You just have a conversation with the Doba Pilot AI agent. You know, it's just like using ChatGPT where you type in and you chat with your agent. And except in this case, instead of it being ChatGPT, it is Doba Pilot that has deep, deep, deep understanding about dropshipping and is able to do everything for you. Because it's not just a tool. It doesn't just spit out information. What exactly is Doba Pilot? Well, it's an AI agent. And the big difference between tools and AI agents is that AI agents will actually execute tasks. They're going to do things. So think about an AI tool or ChatGPT type tool. It's going to say, hey, what's the best products to sell in a dropshipping store? And it might reply back and say, based on my research, these products are good, and this is a historical trend, and this is popular right now. Right? It's going to give you all this information, and of course, information is very valuable. But if you were to put that same prompt or ask into Doba Pilot, you chat with your AI agent and you say, find me the 5 most popular dropshipping products right now and add them into my store. Okay, it's not just going to come back and say number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. It's going to come back and say, okay, here's the 5 that we found. If you want any changes, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to post them into your store. Right? It does things. It executes tasks. AI tools would say, okay, this is good information about it. Here are the steps. You could go and click this and then go and open that. And then step 3, press this. Step 4, do that. Step 5, publish this, etc. But Doba Pilot AI agent, they're just going to automate everything. They're not going to tell you about the different steps, just going to do it, right? You say, hey, find me 5 products and add to the store. It says, okay, here are the 5 products. I just added them to the store. So even though AI tools are, giving you a ton of automation, AI agents, especially Doba Pilot, it's going to do things for you, right? With AI tools, you do everything. With Doba Pilot's AI agents, you simply give instruction and they go ahead and do everything. And what used to take an entire weekend, let's say to start a dropshipping store or to research the products or to source products from a reliable dropshipping supplier or to add products to your store, write product titles, optimize product descriptions, all that important stuff, right? Even build a store. It now just takes a couple minutes. It's that powerful and it's that easy. So we're going to go over the shoulder inside of my Doba Pilot account, and I'm going to show you just how powerful this is. You're looking at Doba Pilot, and you see the link directly below this video. Highly, highly recommended. Everything happens directly on this screen. You'll be able to see your chat history with all the different chats in here. I really like this feature so you can go back and look at your different chats that you had. But really everything talking right inside here. And if you've ever used ChatGPT or anything like that, it's fully conversational, right? You just literally type in what you want. And I'm going to come over here and type in find 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with at least a $25 or 25% profit margin. You could type in anything you want over here, or you could also use some of these quick helpers. They're basically just going to be starting points for you to kind of see how Doba Pilot works. And you could, of course, change them and change the text, just like you can come in here and, say $50 and, I don't know, 28% profit margin. Put in whatever you want, right? You literally just ask what you want right inside of the conversational chat box here with Doba Pilot, and then you let Doba Pilot go. And the first thing it's going to do is say, okay, I'm going to make sure I understand your needs. It's going to go and clarify, I want you to find 10 kitchen gadgets under $50 with a 28% profit margin. I am planning a product selection task for you. So basically in the background, the AI agent is saying, okay, I understand what's going on. I need to go find those 10 products. And this is really cool here. Again, the pilot here, the agent here, is not just giving you information, but it's going to be able to do work. So it's telling you here, okay, I found the 10 best products and I'm getting ready to add them into the store. But I want to know which ones you want out of those 10. Maybe I just want all 10 immediately. Say, okay, I trust it. I'm going to go ahead, go here. Or maybe you want to find some more information about each one. Well, no problem. You could literally just click on any product and it's going to bring up the Doba product detail page. And a really important thing with Doba Dropshipping is they always have really high quality images. They're going to get sent over directly into your store if you choose this choose this product to get listed. We see over here shipping, free shipping over here. So it's going to cost us $29.63. So we have plenty of profit margin. They recommend pricing it at about $42. We see that it comes directly from Dallas, Texas. So we know it's going to be delivered to our customers in 1 to 3 days. So you can forget about that really slow drop shipping that you might have heard about on videos or in past experience. That doesn't happen with Doba Dropshipping. They have super fast shipping, and you see it all right here. So see all the product information, and you say, okay, I like this one, and I like this one, and I like that one. You maybe click on this, see a little bit more information about it. You see plenty of stock. You see really great profit margins over here. You say, okay, I'll select this one as well. So we've selected these 4. We now click List to Store. And again, it's going to say, okay, I'm understanding the needs. Just going to confirm, say these are the 4 products that I'm about to list into the store. Now we select our store over here. When you install your Shopify app, your Doba Pilot or your Doba Dropshipping Shopify app, you'll be able to connect your store. When you sign up for your Doba account, you'll also be able to connect your store right inside of your settings over here. I already have 2 stores connected. I'll go ahead and add this to my Birds in the Air store. Set my pricing rules over here. I'm going to double the price and I'm going to triple it for the compare at price. The compare at price is, that price that you see on your theme that's like crossed out. The sale price is the actual price for this. We're going to include shipping fee, but in most of these cases, you'll see that shipping is free. We're going to now come over here and have AI optimize not only the titles, but the descriptions as well. And we're going to click Continue Task. So basically we said, hey, Doba Pilot, find us some good products. They found us products matching our criteria. We then selected which products we wanted after checking out the details and all that great stuff. Then we confirmed pricing rules and what we want to optimize in terms of product titles and descriptions. And now the AI gets back to work. And it's actually going to go ahead and create these listings. You see right over here, execute listing. It's listing the 4 products directly into my Shopify store. And this is only going to take a couple minutes. When this is done, they'll be live, ready to go, fully connected to Doba Dropshipping, which means whenever we get an order, everything will be automated through the dropshipping platform. We won't need to do anything at all. Literally couldn't be any easier. AI does everything for you, and then the order gets automated. Just like that, it's all done. Successfully listed 4 products into my store. Coming over here into my product section, you literally see them right over here, and I'll go ahead and open a couple in here so you can see. These are the exact products over here that I selected. Non-stick cooking gadgets over here, and use the AI to optimize the title and also to optimize the description over here with highlights and details. It's got great product imagery that's shown throughout as well. So we literally see it all in action. Really, really powerful, really easy to use, and just a couple of chat clicks or chat typing away from getting this in here. Doba Pilot did all this over here. Okay, set the pricing. You see here is that 3x compare at price, and here's our 2x price to give us basically 50% profit margin on that selling price. Really, really powerful. Again, AI bringing over the images, rewriting and setting up a nice product description and title. It's literally that easy. You're just taking them from Doba Pilot directly into your store by just chatting with the agent. So I'll come back over here to the beginning and show you some of these quick helpers. Right, really, really easy. Over here, you could set up a completely new store. Like literally, we can go ahead and say build a brand new store and put in 10 best-selling products. We can come over here and try find popular health and beauty products with stock over 20 and free shipping. Right, these are just helpers, and we can come over here for sure. If you don't care about popular health and beauty, maybe you want to say find kids clothing products with stock over 20 and free shipping. You come over here and then do that, and it's going to do the exact same thing. So it really doesn't matter what you put in here. It could be a quick helper. It could be your own text. It could be just something off the top of your mind. Either way, it's going to be able to go and understand your needs. And just like that, in this case, 50 different products it's selected. That allows us to kind of click through here. We can go and take a look at the actual products. We see the imagery here. We see the pricing. We see where it's shipping from. We see this one's coming from New York. Right? It's literally that easy. It's all happening directly in this chat. You don't even need to leave to go to Shopify. I only came over here simply to show you the products that were launched, right? This is what we did through Doba Pilot in our previous chat. So that's simple. Let's say I wanted to add some of these kids products. Again, I just come over here and select that, list to store. It will ask me which store I want to connect it to. Since I've already connected the Shopify app, I'll go ahead and add this one again. Set my pricing, right? You get it. It's very easy to do this. And I'll go again, optimize titles and descriptions. And you'll build a massive product catalog here just by having a chat with Doba Pilot. It does everything: product research, competition research, pricing research, finding the right profit margins, products that ship from the United States, correct price multiplication based on your rules on an individual basis. So you always have full control and the ability to optimize those titles and descriptions. Literally couldn't be any easier. You just sit back, you chat, and you get your Shopify dropshipping business built for you. So that was Doba Pilot. And as you saw, incredibly powerful, also incredibly easy to use. Highly recommend you going with these quick helpers, just get you started as quickly as possible. But it doesn't matter, even if you're starting from scratch or you want to build a new store, Doba Pilot will do it for you. You want to optimize your product listings, Doba Pilot's going to do it for you. You want to find new products, Doba Pilot's going to do it for you. It's super powerful, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. Make sure you jump in here. This is the future of dropshipping, and it's available right now. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope Doba Pilot helps you make a ton of money, and I'll see you in my next video.